takot nung una pero masarap, sabi ni Sharon. Yes po, mahirap. Pero you are all right, 'di ba? Nung nasanay na, nung palagi niyo na siyang ginagawa, hindi na siya mahirap for you guys, 'di ba? Every one of us here sa una, yes, ang hirap. 'Di ba? May mga times pa nga sa buhay natin na kapag ka meron tayong kino-compare na situation, hindi madali lang 'yan, para lang 'yan nagra-ride ng bike. No, kino-compare pa natin sila kasi for us now, it's very easy to ride a bike, 'di ba? As we are learning through it, it's really difficult to start. But now that we are doing it every day or kapag madalas na nating ginagawa, 'di ba? Madali na lang for us. 'Di ba? Nakikita natin nagiging automatic na siya as you learn to ride a bike. And I'm not just talking about riding a bike, 'di ba? I am talking about you, my dear Sun Lifers. Do you remember the time when you were still a rookie? 'Di ba? When you are still learning. First time maging Sun Lifer, first time in the insurance industry. Galing na nga po sa inyo, mahirap sa umpisa. I don't know what to do, Miss Nicole. Ang hirap mag-approach ng prospect, Miss Nicole. I am always asking my unit manager, Miss Nicole, kung anong gagawin. There are times when I cry at night kasi hindi nagre-reply yung aking prospect. Do you agree with me, my dear Sun Lifers? Do you also experience that one? Sige nga, share it on the chat box. Agree if you agree with me. Yes, 'di ba? Nasan man kayo ngayon in your Sun Life journey when you go back to the first time, it's really difficult. Because you know what, my dear Sun Lifers, may saying nga po tayo, it doesn't get easier. You just get better. Agree? Tama po ba, my dear Sun Lifers? Agree with the statement? 'Di ba? Hindi nagiging madali. You just get better. 'Di ba? If you remember from the time that you were still a rookie, adcan pa nga, 'di ba? Kung first time nyo talaga sa insurance industry, tapos si Sun Life, napakahirap. Parang, 'di ba, ang hirap intindihin yung concepts, ang hirap intindihin yung computation. But as you go along the way, you just get better. Madali na lang sa inyo. Nakikita nyo na agad. 'Di ba? Yung questions na lumalabas sa bibig nyo when you ask your client, it goes naturally. No, you just get better. Ayan, sabi ni Miss Maricar, at hanggang ngayon hirap pa din po ako. No worries. No? Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganyang journey. Lahat tayo, we go through the challenges. 'Di ba? And sometimes we also feel the frustrations, no? Naa-upset tayo kasi yung best friend mo na dapat siyang unang maniniwala sa iyo when you became a advisor, siya pa yung nangsisin sa inyo. And even your family. And siguro some of you here, no? Minsan naiiyak na lang kayo because of the frustrations that you feel. Do you agree with me, my dear Sun Lifer? Share it on the chat box. But then again, at the end of the day, before you go to sleep, naiisip nyo na lang na, hindi, this too shall pass. No? Matatapos din lahat ng to. 'Di ba? It doesn't get easier. You just get better. And that is what, my dear Sun Lifers, growth mindset is. Okay? Ayan po ngayon. Pag naiisip nyo sa inyong mga sarili, hindi, tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is a brighter morning. 'Di ba? Ayan, sabi ni Miss Elizabeth, yes po, nakakaiyak, but need to move on, yes. Actually, I don't want to call it move on, but move forward. 'Di ba? Ganun talaga, always look forward. 'Di ba? Eyes on the prize, sabi nga po nila. Ayan, and for this morning, as you can see, 'di ba? Ito po yung ating pag-uusapan. What is mindset? Because we are talking about growth mindset. The difference between growth and fixed mindset. Ayan, nakita po natin. And of course, by the end of our session, you will be listening to a person na talaga namang makakapag-share sa inyo. Okay? Pero bago po kayo ma-excite with our speaker this morning, let us define what is mindset. Kasi basically, kanina mo pa po sinasabi, growth mindset, mindset. Let us define first, no, growth mindset. So, your mindset daw po is your set of beliefs that shapes how you make sense of the world and yourself. How do you see the world? What is your perspective? Ano yung nakikita nyo po? Is it positive, more on the positive perspective, or more of the end of the spectrum? 'Di ba? It influence how you think, feel, and behave in any given situation. So this definition came from Kendra Cherry, 'di ba? With the mindset that you have, yun yung namamanifest mo. It helps you look on the world, how you see things, how you think, how you behave in a certain situation. 'Di ba? So what I have mentioned a while ago, kanina dun sa mga experience na-experience natin during when we are still rookies, no? If you remember the time, no, siguro self-reflect kayo, ano ba ako nung rookie ako? 5 years ago ba? Or maybe 2 years ago lang? Or maybe 10 years ago? No, no mga rookies pa po kayo. How do you see yourself dun? Paano nyo nakikita yung inyong paligid, yung inyong environment? Pag ba may isang nag-no na sa inyo, sasabihin nyo sa sarili nyo, ay, ano ba yan? Hindi ata ako magiging effective advisor. Baka 1 year lang ako kay Sun Life, tapos baka matanggal na ako kasi hindi ko na-reach yung target ko. No? Or dun kayo kay mindset na, hindi, tomorrow is another day. Sabi nga ni Sun Life, bright days ahead. 'Di ba? Hindi, bukas kaya pa yan, meron pa yan. 'Di ba? Yung perspective na yon can affect how you respond to the challenges, 'di ba? To the decisions and your interaction with others, ultimately shaping the course of your life. No, it shows kung anong journey ang tatahakin mo sa iyong sarili. Okay? And another thing that we should know about mindset is that merong taong nag-aral nito. Who? Who is she? So, she is Carol Dweck. Ayan, as you can see, siya ang nag-develop ng growth mindset concept. So, she is a psychologist. She is a professor at Stanford University. Wow, Ivy League school. 'Di ba? She is best known for her studies in fixed mindset and growth mindset. So, in a while, we are going to discuss the difference between the two. 'Di ba? So, mas maiintindihan natin as we go deeper, no? Kung ano nga ba talaga yung two classifications of mindset na sinasabi ni Carol Dweck. Okay? So, ayan. So, for now, my dear Sun Lifers, I would like you to get your pen and also the paper, your notebook. Kasi kung nakita po natin kanina on our title page, no, sabi kailangan meron tayong notebook and also we also need to have the pen dahil we have activities for this morning. Okay, so type in on the chat box done. If meron na po kayong pen and paper on your side, hawak nyo na po yung inyong pen and paper. Ayan, para naman po sa mga iba, if you would like to type it on the notepad, okay lang naman po. But ako, personally, mas na-appreciate ko yung mga activities na ganito kapag talagang may notebook or paper ako and pen. Okay, type it on the chat box done. If you have your pen and paper with you, ayan, dapat po mga advisors, ang mga Sun Lifers laging ready that meron tayong pen and paper lagi on the side. Kasi we will not know kung ano ang sasabihin ng ating client. Dapat nag-take down notes po tayo. Okay, done? Done? I would like to think, okay, so currently we are 104 strong sa ating webinar. Okay, recording this as well. Wow. Thank you naman po, Ms. Maricar. Ayan. Okay, so I would like to believe that every one of you here, no, meron na kayong pen and paper on your side because we are going to have our first activity. Okay, so this is a set of activities, my dear Sun Lifers, that I think and feel na mag-e-enjoy po kayo, no? Lalo siguro nung sinabi ko na iset aside muna natin si product, si technical, focus muna tayo sa ating mga sarili, no? Let us first have this mindset quiz. But wag kayong kabahan, my dear Sun Lifers, because this is really, yung quiz na to is sa inyo po manggagaling. There is no wrong answers here because this will talk about yourself. Okay, so sabi dito, write the number that corresponds to your answer for each question which best describes you. So in a while, in the next slide, no, I'll be showing questions. Tapos, meron siyang corresponding number. So, if you agree, ganito po yung number na ilalagay natin. If you disagree, itong number na po na ito. And then, by the end of our mindset quiz, i-add lang po natin siya. Okay? And after that, we are going to see kung saan po kayong mindset score chart na bibilang. Okay? Type in CC on the chat box if clear po sa inyo yung instructions. So don't worry kasi I will be with you throughout this activity. Hindi ko kayo iiwan. Okay? Iisa-isahin natin, no? Lahat ng questions for us to better understand ourselves, no? Kung ano nga po ba ang mindset po natin. Okay? Ayan. Alright. So I would like to believe that every one of us here is ready for our first activity. Okay. So sabay-sabay po tayo, ha? Talagang iisa-isahin po natin talaga ito, my dear Sun Lifers. Okay, number 1. Okay, your intelligence is something very basic about you that you can change very much. So if you strongly agree, sulat nyo 0. If you agree, sulat nyo 1. If you disagree, sulat nyo 2. Strongly disagree, 3. Okay, so sabi dito, yung intelligence daw very basic and hindi mo daw siya maiiba. Okay, you can change it. 'Di ba? Type in on the chat box done if tapos na po sa number 1. Sabay-sabay po tayo, ha. We are all team here. Okay, done. Okay. Alright, so number 2 naman po tayo. Okay. So no matter how much intelligence you have, you can always change it quite a bit. So kahit ano daw po yung intelligence mo, maybe your IQ, pwede mo siyang mapalitan a bit. Okay? If strongly agree, put in number 3. Agree 2. Disagree, put it number 1. Kapag strongly disagree, 0. Okay? Okay. Number 3, only a few people will be truly good at sports. You have to be born with the ability. So, sinasabi dito sa question number 3, konting tao lang daw po, Miss Nicole, ang magaling sa sports. Dapat pinanganak kang athletic. Hindi ka na pwede or hindi siya na-develop. No? If you strongly agree, right 0, agree 1, disagree 2, strongly disagree 3. Okay, if tapos na po kay 1, 2, and 3, type in done on the chat box para in-next slide ko na po siya, my dear Sun Lifers. Done, 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 done? Alright, okay. Okay, so everyone is done? Number 4, okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 4, the harder you work at something, the better you will be. So, pag pinaghihirapan daw po ang isang bagay, mas magiging better ka pa po doon. So, same instructions. If you strongly agree, 3 po ang isulat natin. Agree 2, disagree 1, and strongly disagree 0. Okay, number 5. I often get angry when I get feedback about my performance. So, nagagalit, nagtatampo, naiinis kapag daw po merong nare-receive na feedback with regards to the performance. Okay, my dear Sun Lifers, same instructions po again. And number 6, I appreciate when people, parents, coaches, or trainers give me feedback about my performance. So, naa-appreciate nyo daw po, no, kapag ka nagbibigay ng feedback with regards sa inyong performance, yung mga tao na nakapaligid po sa inyo. Maybe kapag ka naka-receive ka ng feedback from your manager, no? Ano bang nafe-feel mo? Do you appreciate it? Ayan. So, same instructions po tayo. Type in on the chat box done if tapos na po tayo kay 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so again, sabi ko sabay-sabay po natin itong tatapusin. All for one po tayo. Currently, we are, 111 strong in this room. So good morning, bright morning po para po doon sa mga kakapasok lang ng ating Zoom. Currently, we are having our first activity. Okay, done. Alright, next. 7, 8, 9 po tayo. Okay, so number 7. Truly smart people do not need to try hard. Ang mga matatalino daw pong tao, hindi na nila kailangan mag-try. Okay. Okay, so number 8. You can always change how intelligent you are. So, pwede nyo daw pong mabago kung gaano po kayo katalino. So, sabi nung bata kayo, maybe you have low IQ, pero naniniwala kayo, pwedeng mapalitan yan, pwedeng maging high yung IQ ko pagdating ko ng 20 plus. No, naniniwala daw po ba kayo doon? Do you agree with that? Or disagree with that? Okay. Number 9. Okay, doon po kayo magsagot sa inyong paper. May corresponding number. So, sa number 8, if naniniwala kayo na agree kayo, you can write number 2. So, doon po tayo sa may number. Okay. And then number 9, you're a certain kind of person and there is not much can be done to really change that. Okay, so kayo daw po ba as a person, naniniwala kayo na hindi, ganito na talaga ako forever and ever. Wala ka nang magagawa, hindi na ako pwedeng mag-change. If I am a people pleaser, I am a people pleaser person. If masungit ako, masungit talaga ako. Wala kang mababago doon. So if you agree, if you strongly agree, sulat nyo 0 kapag nag-agree kayo, number 1. Kapag disagree, number 2. Kapag strongly disagree, 3 po yung ilagay po natin. Okay, type in on the chat box done if tapos na tayo kay 7, 8, and 9. Okay, done. Okay, ayan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, all for one tayo dito, sabay-sabay nating matatapos lahat ng activities na meron tayo. Done? Okay, ayan. And the last number po tayo, number 10. An important reason why I attend trainings is that I enjoy learning new things. So kayo po ba as a person, the reason why you're attending trainings like this one, no, is that nag-enjoy daw po kayo or natutuwa kayong matuto. 'Di ba? Ng mga bagong dapat matutunan po natin. So if you strongly agree, write in 3. If you agree, 2. If you disagree, lagay nyo po 1 and then strongly disagree, sulat po natin 0. Okay, and after that, i-add po natin lahat, yung 1 to 10. Okay, gamit na lang po tayo ng calculator or kung math wizard, go. I-add po natin siya. And then after that, when you are done, you may share on the chat box kung ano yung sagot. 'Di ba? Lagay nyo kung ano yung naging sum nung 1 to 10. If 1 ba yan, 2 ba yan, or 30 ba yan, or more than 30. Okay. Share lang po on the chat box. Ayan, may mga nakikita na akong nag-share ng kanilang mga score. So, ano kayang ibig sabihin yan, Miss Nicole? Sige. Keep them coming, my dear Sun Lifers. Ayan, may mga naka-perfect na 30. Yung iba, 29, 27. Diba? Okay. So, looking at it. Sige po. Share lang po on the chat box. Kung ano po ang scores po na na-receive po ninyo. Okay, how about the others? Sige, currently we are 122. Parang mga 30 plus pa lang yung nag-share. 30 plus pa lang. Okay. So, ayan. So, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano yung naging score po natin. So, this is our mindset. Ayan, your mindset score chart. Okay. So, para po sa mga nakakuha ng 22 to 30. Ayan. So, makikita po natin, ibig sabihin, you have a strong growth mindset. Okay. So, pwede nyo ilagay dun sa inyong paper, no? Kung ano yung corresponding. So, for those people who have 22 to 30 na score, you have a strong growth mindset. Para naman po doon sa 17 to 21, ang sabi po dito, you have growth mindset with some fixed ideas. Okay? So, lagay nyo po sa gilid, no? Nung score po ninyo on the side of your score. If you receive 11 to 16, you have fixed mindset with some growth ideas. Okay? And from 0 to 10, you have strong fixed mindset. Okay, so based po sa ating mindset score chart, are you happy with the result or are you okay with the result? Share in on the chat box. Okay. Very happy. Ayan. How about the others? Okay, okay lang, Miss Nicole. But don't worry, guys, kasi in a while, no? Ano natin yan, ipaprocess natin yan, i-sharing po natin yan. Okay, don't worry. So how about the others? Are you happy with the result? Okay lang, Miss Nicole. Naka-receive ako ng fixed mindset with some growth mindset. Okay naman po. No, kung gusto mo lang magbigay ng thumbs up, okay lang din naman. 'Di ba? Kung hindi kayo masaya sa result, no? Ayan, happy. So, nakikita ko naman so far, no, na happy. And yung iba, okay lang po. Okay. So, maybe the others are still shy to share, no? So, if you got a strong growth mindset, ayan, so okay po for you. But, if however, for the others na naka-receive ng strong fixed mindset, don't you worry, guys, no? Okay lang po yan. It's you. Sabi ko nga dito, walang maling sagot because we are going to talk about you here. Okay. So for us to better understand kung sino nga ba, ano nga ba itong mindset na to, what is the difference between growth and fixed mindset, because I have been mentioning all about this one. Ayan. So with that, let us all watch this video. Ayan. So, for a while, my dear Sun Lifers. Okay.
Do you have a growth mindset? How do you think of intelligence? Do you think you're born with a certain level of intelligence that you can't change much? Or do you think it's something you can work on to develop and grow? Many students think that their level of intelligence is fixed, that they can't do much to change it. This can lead them to feeling that they just aren't smart enough to succeed, especially when courses get more challenging. But what if you knew that no matter who you are, through effort and effective strategies, you can develop your level of intelligence? According to Stanford University psychologist Carol Dweck, how we think about our brains actually affects how well we learn. Dweck says that people generally think with one of two different mindsets, a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe that their intelligence is fixed at birth and they can't do much to change it. People with a growth mindset believe that their talents, abilities, and intelligence can be developed in different ways. And you may feel like you have a fixed mindset in some ways and a growth mindset in others. For example, you may think with a fixed mindset that you're just not a math person, but you may adopt a growth mindset with writing, music, sports, or another discipline. In fact, scientists who study the brain have found that the brain is like a muscle. It changes and grows in response to what we do. The harder we work using helpful strategies and the more challenges we face, the stronger and smarter the brain becomes. This is because the brain is made up of cells called neurons, which are connected to each other. As we learn, the number of connections between our neurons also grows. As we continue to exercise our brains, the connections between our neurons grow as well. These new and stronger connections help to make us smarter. Scientists call this concept neuroplasticity. Research shows that students who adopt a growth mindset, who believe that their brains can grow and develop through effort and challenges, actually do better in school. For these students, the goal is not to prove what they already know, but rather to learn and grow. Students with a growth mindset view challenges and mistakes not as proof that they aren't smart enough, but as opportunities to become smarter. The good news is that you can develop a growth mindset. You've taken the first step by learning about some of the science that shows you can grow your brain. The next step is to consider your mindset. If you have some areas in which you think you aren't smart, challenge yourself to learn and grow. Why should you bother? Because if you learn to develop your mindset, you'll persist longer with problems. You'll take on harder challenges and stretch your mental muscle more. You won't be as affected by setbacks, and in the end, you'll learn more. And the effects of changing your mindset can stick with you for years, since you're training your brain to think in a new way.
Okay, ayan. So, my dear Son Lifers, ayan, based on the video kanina, on what you have watched, ano po ang natutunan po natin? What have you learned? What is your key, what are, no? I'm pretty sure marami po kayo nakuha from the video. What are your key takeaways? Sige nga po, share it on the chat box. Sa dami ng sinabi ng video, I'm pretty sure that one or two meron kayong nakuha, di ba? There are a lot of insights that have been shared on the video. The difference between the two, di ba? So, meron pa nga silang mga scientific na shinare. Di ba? So, sabi doon, our brain daw is a muscle and it can changes and it grows and responds on what we do. So, kayo po, my dear Son Lifers, what have you learned from the video? Ayan, sabi ni Miss Lady, we can grow our brains. Di ba? May ganun palang concept. Miss Nicole, akala ko before, kapag ito ka na, ayan ka na talaga. You will not grow anymore. 'Di ba? Sabi ni Sir Rafi, there is always room for learning, correct? 'Di ba? Not hindi dahil ikaw ay age ka na, nasa 20s ka na, 25 ka na, full develop na yung frontal lobe mo, hindi ka na pwedeng matuto. No, that is a no-no. There is always room for learning. Sabi ni Janice, we can train our brain and learn and grow. Yes. There are a lot of things na pwede nating gawin sa ating brain. No, very capable ang ating brain for learning. Nag-expand ang brain through learnings. Yes, that is also correct. No, so that is why here in Sun Life we are continuously offering trainings kasi kailangan din po yan ng brain natin, and also kailangan din natin yan for our Sun Life journey. Learning is a continuous process. Agree with that. 'Di ba? Learning never stops. Actually, that is my mantra. No? Even though I am in my late 20s already, I still want to learn. No? Ang dami-dami ko pang hindi alam. And I'm sure kayo din po, my dear Sun Lifers, there are still a lot of things that we need to learn. 'Di ba? Brain is like a muscle. Don't settle for less. You can learn more and grow more. Yes, that is also correct. 'Di ba? Attitude and pride constraints want to grow. Yes, that is also correct. You have to be open. You have to open yourself out there to grow. View challenges as opportunities. That is also a big thumbs up. No? Challenges are there to make us grow, to give us opportunities, to give us room for improvement, whatever that is. Learning is the key. If you study and practice on something like math or algebra, in the long run, you will improve and excel. Yes, that is right. In connection with our Sun Life business, 'di ba? If you practice, let's say if you're having a hard time or nag-challenge ka or nagsa-struggle ka when you talk to clients, when you present to clients, then practice. 'Di ba? Meron nga po tayong kasabihan na practice makes perfect. And when you do it every day, when you do it in front of your managers, 'di ba? In time, makikita mo na lang yung sarili mo, oy, wait lang. Parang confident na ako mag-present sa aking clients. Parang alam na alam ko na tong product na to, na kahit nakapikit ako, I can discuss it with my client. And it comes with practice. No? Yung brain natin na-challenge. So, nagkaroon ng opportunity for you to learn and to grow. Okay? So all in all, of course, whatever have we learned on the video. So I do hope that dalhin natin siya even after our session this morning or this whole day. No, sana madala natin whatever our learnings, and may it be a reminder for all of us that kung nasan man tayo sa buhay natin, there is always a room for growth and for learning. Okay, so the video also mention what is growth mindset. So pinag-different niya yung growth mindset and fixed mindset. And we will go deeper into that. Starting off on the growth mindset. So people with growth mindsets believe that skill and intelligence are something that people can develop. 'Di ba? Yung abilities nila, their skills, their intelligence, they're not fixed, no? They can be developed, improved. They can be improved. By what? Anong gagawin? By effort, by learning, and of course, perseverance. No? If right now you see yourself as someone na medyo hindi magaling sa, let's say, prospecting, 'di ba? Sa hindi magaling sa paghahanap ng mga prospects, it can be developed as long as you have this mindset. No, naniniwala ka sa sarili ko, yes, if not now, it's not yet. No, soon enough, I will be able to have that. 'Di ba? They believe that while people have inherent qualities and traits, success comes from constant personal development. Do you agree with that, Sun Lifers? Type in on the chat box, agree if you agree with that. Ayan. So, hello naman po. We are currently 130 strong. Bright morning, my dear Sun Lifers. Agree, di ba? Yes, let's say from child, nakitaan ka ng potential, let's say in math. Di ba? You have this. Di ba? Magaling ka sa math. Or hindi ka magaling sa math. My apologies. Very wrong. Hindi ka magaling sa math. But with personal development, kaya yung, kayang magkaroon ng improvement on your math. 'Di ba? If you're this kind of person that has a mindset, you acknowledge that every one of us here, we have natural talents, we have natural qualities. But achieving success requires continuous self-improvement and dedication. 'Di ba? So coming na nga from you kanina sa mga inyong sagot, learning is a continuous process. Learning never stop, no? And when you have this perspective, it encourages you to embrace the challenges. And with that challenges, you are learning. You are learning from the challenges, from that failures that you experience, and you are constantly striving to be better. Because diba? Sabi nga kanina on the first part, it doesn't get easier, you just get better. Now that we understood the growth mindset, ano naman kaya si fixed mindset? Diba? Ayan, sabi ni Miss Marika, if not now, it's not yet. Correct. Diba? Hindi pa yun natatapos ang laban. Go for the go pa yan. Diba? If you are thinking na wait lang, parang kailangan ang target ko ngayon is 3 pero nakakadalawa pa lang ako. 'Di ba? Meron pa tayong ilang days, marami pang days. 'Di ba? Kaya don't stop. Okay. Now, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon si fixed mindset. Okay? So what is fixed mindset? People with fixed mindset are those who believe that talent and intelligence are something you either have or you don't. Okay. Sinasabi ng mga tao na merong fixed mindset, it innate sila na traits, and you cannot change that, you cannot improve that. If sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na wala mahina talaga ako sa product presentation, hindi ko talaga ma-explain si Sunfit and Well, ang daming kailangan intindihin Sorry po talaga UM or manager. So, that is a fixed mindset. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-develop. Yun yung naiisip nila. 'Di ba? So, the people who have fixed mindset, they often avoid challenges. They fear failure. And in time, if they have this mindset all throughout their lives, they may give up easily. Believing, kasi naniniwala sila that success is solely determined by your natural ability. No? But don't worry, my dear Sun Lifers. If you again remember a while ago we had our activity. So if in the activity you have a fixed mindset, don't worry. No? Because you have a lot of chance pa for it to shift from fixed to growth mindset. And you may start now. Diba? Pwede kayo magsimula ngayon na, today, if I have this kind of mindset, hindi, sabi ni Miss Nicole, kaya pang i-change. I will have a growth mindset. On the other hand, if you have growth mindset as well, no, if ever, there is also a chance for you to have a fixed mindset. So, dapat, if you already have a growth mindset, consistent lang po tayo dapat. Consistent na iniisip natin na there is always a room for improvement. There's a room for change and for learning. Diba? With these people, no, meron silang mga iba-ibang spills or they have statements that they believe. So, let's start with the fixed mindset. Ano ba yung mga pinaniniwalaan ni fixed mindset? They believe that failure is the limit of my abilities. Pag nag-fail na ako, no more. Tapos na doon. It's either I'm good at it or I'm not. No? In prospecting, doon talaga ako magaling eh. Pag prospectihin mo na ako, Miss Nicole, pero wag mo lang ako ipag-sales presentation. Okay, they have fixed mindset. My abilities are unchanging. Wala po tayong magagawa, Miss Nicole, with that. I'm really having a great time talking to clients. 'Di ba? I don't like to be challenged. Nakaka-stress kasi, Miss Nicole, kapag na-challenge eh. It seems na talagang hindi po ako makatulog or ito po yung mga na-experience ko. My potential is predetermined just because, Miss Nicole, I'm not blessed with such a great communication skills eh. Sorry po talaga. When I'm frustrated, I give up. I stick to what I know. Hanggang ito lang po yung alam ko. 'Di ba? So those were the statements of a person with fixed mindset. Diba? On the other hand, ito naman yung mga statements na pinaniniwalaan no, ng mga growth mindset people. They say that failure is an opportunity to grow. If I receive a no now, maybe tomorrow I will receive a yes. It's an opportunity for me to grow. Daming oras sa isang araw. 'Di ba? Imagine 24 hours, ilang minutes 'yon, ilang seconds 'yon. 'Di ba? There's always a room for growth. I like to try new things. 'Di ba? Insurance industry is something that I'm scared of kasi it speaks math. Pero I like to try new things. I want to try this one. I can learn to do anything I want. Yes. How? By attending trainings, no? Whether it is DLD trainings or maybe outside trainings. 'Di ba? Para mas matuto ako, para mas mag-grow ako as an advisor, challenges help me grow. The challenges I faced before when I was still a rookie, it helped me where I am today. 'Di ba? Do you agree, my dear Sun Lifers? Sige, share lang po kayo ng mga statements, 'di ba, on the chat box because we are all learning here. Sabi ni Miss Nikki, every no is a step closer to the right. Yes, exactly. 'Di ba? It's a step. Maybe it's a universe way of telling you na hindi yan talaga ang para sa'yo because there is a better plan for you out there. My effort and my attitude determine my abilities. It's the effort for me to learn new things, to speak to people, to receive feedback from people. Feedback is constructive, 'di ba? And I am inspired by the success of others. 'Di ba? If you see your managers right now, 'di ba? Maybe one day I can be like them, then you're on the right track. 'Di ba? You see you're inspired by them, na-motivate ka. 'Di ba? So that is a growth mindset. How about you guys, my dear Sun Lifers? Ano naman po ang inyong mga statements, no, on your Sun Life journey? Maybe it's the same thing as this one. So you can share it on the chat box. So si Miss Maricar, nag-share na siya. Sabi niya, if not now, it's not yet. Si Miss Nikki, nag-share na rin siya ng statement niya na every no is a step closer to the right yes. How about the others here? We are currently 130 strong. Ano po ang inyong statement na pinaniniwalaan? Okay? So let's see what's on the chat box. Ako, personally, my mantra talaga is in life is learning never stops. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, I'm in my late 20s already. And yung iba siguro naiisip nila na late 20s, early 30s is, it's one of the timeline talaga na mag-stop ka na mag-grow. But no, ako po, I believe that I still have a lot to learn. No, in this business, in this insurance business, in life, moreover. Because you cannot learn everything in 30 years lang, di ba? Ang dami-dami pa po nating pwedeng malaman. Hindi lang objectively, subjectively, literally, figuratively, there's so many things to learn. So yan, si Miss Jocelyn, learner for life. I'm already 66. Wow! 'Di ba? At 66, learn pa tayo. 'Di ba? Madami pa tayong hindi nalalaman talaga even if we are on the 66, there's still a lot of learnings. Embrace every changes. That is right, Miss Jasmine. Every changes that comes with our lives, 'di ba? Embrace lang natin sila kasi ito yung makakapagpatibay sa atin. Okay, learning is a lifelong process. So keep them coming. Okay, so the question is, bakit importante si growth mindset? No, why is growth mindset important? So thank you so much, my dear Sun Lifers, for sharing your statement. And mas maganda siguro if isulat natin yung statement na yan sa sticky note, ilagay natin sa tables natin for us to be reminded every day when we are working na, okay, this is my mindset, this is my mantra. Okay, so bakit importante? No, it can help you overcome obstacles when you learn something new or develop a new skill. 'Di ba? Kasi it encourages you to view the challenges for growth. Instead na tinatakot or natatakot tayo sa failure, you see it as a learning process. 'Di ba? You see it as something na okay, natutuwa ko ngayon. And with that, you are motivated to adapt, to improve, to persevere. Okay? So with this mindset, you stay resilient, you stay focused, and of course, open to a lot of feedback. And with that feedback, you continue to grow. No? You will also understand better the importance of persistence and determination. Yan na nga din ang another thing na sinasabi ko. Now, you will realize that success is not about immediate result but also consistent effort over time. 'Di ba? Ang pag-attend lang po dito this morning with our growth mindset, ang aga-aga Monday morning 9 a.m. Okay. Effort. This is already an effort kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na meron kang matututunang bago. This mindset helps you stay committed, work through setbacks, and view challenges as opportunities to build strength and resilience. And you change the way you think, you can change the way you learn. Set is important. Ayan, so sabi po sa chat box, there is no growth in your comfort zone, but if you are not in your comfort zone, you will grow. No? Change is scary. No? Alam naman natin yung lahat, but staying on your comfort zone actually is much scarier. Okay? So now something to think about, my dear Sun Lifers. Are you reaching your full potential right now? Sige nga po. Think lang muna. Kahit di muna kayo mag-share on the chat box. Do you think you are reaching your full potential, my dear Sun Lifers? Ito na ba to? Or meron pa akong i-improve? Okay, ayan. So, something to think about, my dear Sun Lifer. So, currently, time check, 10 o'clock a.m. na po tayo and we are having so much fun, I guess, no? On the 1 hour of our session. So, with this one, let us have a 5-minute break po muna, coffee break po muna tayo. And then, at 10:05, we are going to start again to continue with our session. Okay? So, goods po ba yun? SFSG, so far, so good. Sige, type in on the chat box if you're good. Okay, so medyo nag-10:01 na. Sige, 10:06 na po tayo. Alright, okay. So, be back at 10:06 and we will continue po with our session.
Through your days, got your head hung low, your sky's a shade of gray, like a zombie in a maze. You're asleep inside, but you can shake awake, 'cause you're just a dead man walking, thinking that's your only option. But you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest day. Sun is up and the color's blinding, take the world and redefine it. Leave behind your narrow mind, you'll never be the same. Come alive, come alive, go and light your light, let it burn so bright, reaching up to open wide, you're electrified. The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. I see it in your eyes. You believe that lie, that you need to hide your face.
Okay, so hello, welcome back my dear Son Lifers. So yan, tignan ko po muna kung andito na po ang almost everyone here. Type in on the chat box here if you are still here with us. Yan, on our growth mindset session. Ayan, here. Okay. Ayan. So we are still on track with our growth mindset. So kanina, I leave to your question if you're still or if you are reaching your full potential. But then again, I leave the answer to you guys. Something to think about, something to reflect, di ba, on our growth mindset. Now that we know that the importance of growth mindset, let us know how to develop a growth mindset. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, no, if you are still on the fixed mindset, which is not wrong, don't get me wrong, no, hindi naman siya mali, how can you develop it, di ba? Kasi pwede kang ma-shift From fixed mindset, you will shift to growth mindset. So with that, we are going to have another activity, my dear Sun Lifers. So, ilabas po ulit natin yung ating paper and pen, no? So, mas maganda if you have your journals. Kung mahilig kayo mag-journaling like me, no? Mahilig ako magsulat, mag-journal ng mga nangyayari sa life ko, then much better, di ba? So, something that you can look in the future, look back in the future, di ba? So, type in on the chat box done if meron na po kayong paper and pen or notebook. Or if gusto niyo naman siyang i-type sa Word, sa notepad, okay lang din naman po, wala din namang problem. But I would like to believe na mas effective siya kapag sinusulat po natin. Okay. Ayan. So, are you sure? Okay. So, if we are done, ayan. So, let us have our next activity. So, actually, it's activity number 2 already. Okay. Ayan. So, first is, I would like you, dear Sun Lifer, to list down 5 people in your life that exhibits a growth mindset. Okay, mas maganda if on the paper or on the notebook, lagay nyo mismo yung pangalan nila. Tapos, ilagay nyo, i-identify nyo if it is your spouse, your child, significant other, no? Kung di pa talaga mag-asawa, manager, you can put it there. Colleague, client, etc. Okay, sino sa tingin nyo 5 tao po sa inyong buhay ngayon na nakikita nyo na okay, may growth mindset itong taong to? 2. Okay, number 2, write down how they are exhibiting growth mindset in their lives or careers. No, you can put there paano nyo sila nakikita na meron silang growth mindset. 'Di ba? Are there certain situations na nakwento nila sa inyo na napaisip kayo, okay, they have growth mindset. Okay? Next, number 3, take note of what you can learn from them. Okay, sabi nga natin, learning is a continuous process. It doesn't stop. So, kailangan meron at meron pa rin tayong natututunan. Sa tingin nyo, ano yung matututunan nyo sa kanila? For example, for your manager, ano yung matututunan nyo sa kanila? Diba? And after this session, make an effort of reaching out to them to seek advice. Okay, ayan. So after this session, maybe you can chat them. Diba? Uy, I think about you, sir manager. No, on our session a while ago, I saw that you have this kind of mindset. No? Mahirap po ba? What can you advise for me to have that growth mindset? Or sa spouse mo, Han, kanina nagkaroon kami ng activity, sabi, all about growth mindset. Nakita ko na meron kang ganun eh. Kasi whatever challenges na meron tayo sa pamilya natin, positive ka lang palagi. Paano mo nagawa yun? Okay? So with this one, again, write it. on the paper, on the notebook that you have. And with this activity, I will give you 5 minutes, no, 5 minutes for you to reflect and to do everything. And after that, no, let us process, no, whatever you have written on your paper. Okay? Okay. So with that po, ayan. So 10:10 at 10:15, we will continue po with our session.
Broken out the pieces I've been shaping lately. Focused on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt. Hiding my emotions down in different ashtrays. Oh, but what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't just let go, 'cause it's a part of you that it will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I've been going way too hard on myself. Guess that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I went down a road that only got me nowhere. I've seen every corner, every inch of this place. Being all alone, it really got me thinking, maybe over that what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't just let go, 'cause it's a part of you that will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I've been going way too hard on myself. Guess that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. Hide these beautiful scars. These beautiful skies. I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I've got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful skies. I've been going way too hard on myself. Guess that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. Hide these. I ain't gonna hide these. Hide these. Hide these beautiful scars. No. Driving down the interstate, I've never felt so far away. Leaving hardly hurts at all. I'm sorry that I never called. Often I get exhausted, trying regardless to be enough. Is it selfish not to be selfless when all I can help is to open up? I'll be better than I was before, despite every text of yours ignored.
Okay, so are we done with the second activity, my dear Sun Lifers? Type in on the chat box if done. Siguro kung tatlo pa lang ang nalalagay, okay lang yan? Okay, so if you are still on that process, no, of thinking that, okay, so maybe pwede po kung sino yung gustong mag-share but don't put the names na lang. So let's say lagay natin spouse and paano nyo po nakita sa kanila yung growth mindset. Sige nga po. Don't put the names na lang po. I-identify na lang natin kung ano yung part nila sa life natin. Kung spouse natin sila, anak natin sila, colleague mo siya, co-advisor, 'di ba? So, how did you see that person na meron siyang growth mindset? Paano po niyo nakita sa kanya? And maybe you can also share that what can you learn from that? Okay, so siguro ako muna, no? So habang siguro yung iba ay nagta-type. So I can see that my mom, no, has a growth mindset. Yun talaga, number one talaga nung nabasa ko yung activity, oh, it's my mom. 'Di ba? Because whatever challenge na kanyang na-experience, no, talagang nakita ko sa kanya na hindi siya nag-give up, no? Knowing that right now, no, she is our only parent, no, she's still going on strong. 'Di ba? She was able to take care of us, 'di ba? Right after, my father passed away. So she was able to be with us during those hard times. So nakita ko talaga sa kanya yung growth mindset. And I learned talaga from her a lot. 'Di ba? Just imagine the things that you went through. You have your own struggles and then you have your children to take care of. It's very difficult for her. Okay? Pero with that, I saw her strength as a mom and as a person din talaga. 'Di ba? How about the others? Sige po. Kahit wag na yung sobrang in-depth, 'di ba? Konti lang. Sige po. Okay, so maybe some of you, no, are still typing, no? So just keep them coming. Siguro kahit isa lang po mag-share kayo who is that person. Pwedeng in general. And how do you see that person na meron siyang growth mindset? Okay. So actually, no, if meron kayo syempreng nalagay on your notebook, on your paper, lalo na if this is close to your heart like mine, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam that we are actually surrounded by people who has grown mindset. 'Di ba? Napaisip tayo kanina, okay, so it's my mom. Or maybe it's your spouse. Or 'di ba, minsan napapaisip tayo yung anak ko. 'Di ba? Wala pa po akong anak, my dear son lifers, pero 'di ba, napaisip kayo, wait, my child, meron na siyang growth mindset eh. By the way, I speak to him or her, to my daughter, to my son. 'Di ba? We are surrounded by growth mindset. And actually, sometimes, hindi natin alam na nagtatanong na tayo sa kanila that we are talking to them. Ayan. So, merong mga nag-share, Miss Elizabeth faces challenges and find ways to solve it ASAP. Yes. Si Miss Jasmine, ayan, my husband, he always advised me to stay calm in every situation. Kung no pa ang sagot ni client sa susunod, dadami din yan. Just keep on moving, di ba? What a supportive husband. A partner. Diba? Thank you so much, Miss Elizabeth, Miss Jasmine, for sharing. Okay, so going back, 'di ba? So actually, yan, sabi ni Miss Jasmine, ina-advise siya ng asawa niya. Because actually, my dear son lifers, accepting help is its own kind of strength. 'Di ba? Some of us here maybe see this as a weakness, but actually it's not. It's a strength. 'Di ba? Seeking and receiving assistance, asking for advice is not a sign of weakness, but rather it's an act of courage and self-awareness. 'Di ba? Hindi po weakness yan. It's a strength. Ayan, so thank you so much po for sharing. Ayan, si Miss Mary Ann gave me positive outlook in life. Whatever the rejection is, keep moving forward. Si Miss Dani, sabi niya yung kanyang UM. So shout out po sa UM ni Danis na niniwala daw, always they're believing in my ability na kaya ko, na sa una lang mahirap, na she's always there for me to help. Ayan. Twin sister. Yan si Miss Joyce. Sabi niya, aspiring manager candidate na with perseverance and reaching to right people, kaya mo din yan. Okay, ayan. So may shoutout din po tayo, no? Si Miss Janice BM Vanch Uy Kuyaki. Just read her book, Write Your Own Miracles, which teaches us that every dream we just have to seek for God's grace and work for it. Nothing is impossible. Ayan. So also, if you are a religious person, 'di ba? Syempre kasama na rin diyan yung help ni Lord. Miss Renalyn, my manager, she keeps believing me. She always say that you can do it. So shout out po sa manager ni Miss Renalyn. 'Di ba? Naka-surrounded pala tayo with a lot of people that can help us to have that growth mindset. Okay, so next activity naman po tayo. Okay, so this is another activity. So next activity, what can I learn from my failures? So with this one, just list down your failures. Okay, dun po ulit tayo sa ating notebook or sa ating paper in your life or career that you can feel that you can learn a lot from. Then second, write down what you think you could have done better in those situations. And number 3, take note of what you have learned about yourself after this situation. So with this one, siguro kahit one failure lang, no? Mag 3 minutes lang po tayo for this one. And isipin natin kung ano yung natutunan nyo sa sarili nyo or if you could have done better with your failure. Okay? So with this, my dear Sun Lifers, so around 10:24, no? Ayan. So let's continue around 10:24.
Will you call me still just to hear my voice? You with the sad eyes. Don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. The darkness inside you can make you feel so small. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when last saw you laughing. This world makes you crazy, and you've taken all you can bear. Just call me up, 'cause I will always be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful. I see your true colors shining through. I see your true.
Okay, ayan. So, I know, no, na lahat po tayo here in this room have experienced once or in a way, no, na mga failures sa life. And with this one, I want you, my dear Sun Lifers, to read it. No, whenever you are down, no, to remind you that there are a lot of things to learn from that failures. Maybe you could have done better. No, sana na ibalik ko na lang palang oras. But I would like to believe, my dear Sun Lifer, that it all happens or it all happened because there's a reason. And I would like you to look on the brighter side. Yeah, very Sun Life ang branding. Na may reason why you have to go through that failure, whatever that is. Because it's either you win or you learn. 'Di ba? It means that in every experience that we have, in every failure that we have experienced, Whether it leads to success or not, it offers value. Kapag naging win, kapag naging successful, edi we celebrate. Congratulations. Pero if no, no, nakagain naman tayo ng valuable lessons that can help us improve and grow. So with this kind of perspective, tinatanggal niya yung fear of failure natin. Because in reality, there's no failure. There's always learning lang. Meron lang tayong natututunan. Wala pong failure. Okay? So with that, my dear Sun Lifers, I know you are currently enjoying our activities and meron pa akong last activity for you guys. So siguro with this one, tapusin ko lang yung song, no? So with this one, how far along have you gotten? Gaano na ba kalayo ang narating mo, my dear Sun Lifers? Okay? So ang gagawin po natin again, pen and paper, think of the skills in your life or business that you feel are strength of yours. Okay. Kung naisip mo na dati, ito, pero ngayon strength ko na siya. So, mas maganda kung sa Sun Life business, no, kung strength mo ang products, lagay mo dyan. Kung strength mo ang sales presentation, lagay mo po dyan. Then, try to remember about a year ago or maybe 5 years ago when you were still a rookie. Diba? Bagong-bago, fresh na fresh kay Sun Life. How good were you regarding those skills? Something to think about, my dear Sun Lifers. Reflect. How about 10 years ago? Para po doon sa matagal na in this industry. Gaano ba kayo kagaling sa skill na yon? What have you done along the way to make sure you develop those skills? Anong mga strategies na ginawa niyo po? Kaya na-develop yung ganong skills. Okay? So with that, tapusin lang natin yung song. You write on those paper. And then, after that, we'll continue po with our session.
That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show. First things first, I'ma say it. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer.
Okay, ayan. So maybe right now, no, iniisip nyo pa or baka sa sobrang dami ng skills in your life, no, hindi pa kayo tapos. Pero I would like you guys to continue this. Maybe after the session, mamayang hapon, working lunch siguro, or maybe after the day. 'Di ba? Kasi it's something that masaya i-reminisce. 'Di ba? Do you agree with me, my dear Sun Lifers? Type in agree on the chat box if you do agree with me. Ayan. So something that, you know, from time to time, kailangan nating isipin. Kasi, gaano na ba tayo kalayo? 'Di ba? More often than not, naiisip natin, malayo na pero malayo pa. 'Di ba? Ito talaga yung mga kasabihan no? On the social media. Sinasabi dito na malayo na yung narating natin kasi ang dami na nating napagdaanan. 'Di ba? Even on our Sun Life business, malayo na. Miss Nicole, 3 years na ako dito, 5 years na ako, ang layo na po ng narating ko. 'Di ba? Marami na po akong events na umakyat po ako sa stage. But then again, malayo pa po ako. Ibig sabihin, I need to have effort pa. I need to have persistent pa. Naging persistent pa po ako, no? Kasi yung goals ko, malayo pa po eh. No? So may this be a reminder for you, my dear Sun Lifers, to stay focused and persistent whatever your goal is. Going back to the statements a while ago, 'di ba? Whatever it is your statement that you believe in it, 'di ba? May it be fixed mindset. Hopefully, for those who have fixed mindset, ma-shift po tayo kay growth mindset. Tanggalin natin yung mga statements na yan at maniwala po tayo sa sinasabi ni growth mindset. And for those on lifers who have growth mindset, stay on the course. Diba? Always remind yourself that this is just part of life, part of a process, part of my learning process. Now the question is there something I want to change? No? Kayo lang po ang makakasagot niyan, my dear Sun Lifers. Hindi po ako, hindi ang manager nyo, hindi ang mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Kayo lang po sa sarili nyo ang makakasagot if there is something that you want to change. Hindi madali pero lalaban, hindi madali pero mahalaga. At lalaban tayo para sa kung anuman ang mahalaga. What a powerful statement, my dear Sun Lifers. 'Di ba? We know that life itself, not only in Sun Life journey, but life itself, it's difficult. 'Di ba? If you're a mom, if you're a dad, 'di ba? Ang daming nangyayari. If you're a daughter, if you're a son, whatever your role in life is, it's difficult. Hindi madali pero mahalaga, but it is important. 'Di ba? And every day we keep on pushing, motivating ourselves to whatever that is important. And as I have mentioned a while ago, my dear Sun Lifers, there is a special person for today who are going to share his experience now with regards to this growth mindset. And I would like you guys, my dear Sun Lifers, to listen to this person because I know, no, na it comes with experience din. And siya talaga yung best person to share his experience with Sun Life, with his Sun Life journey. And at the end of his session, sa kanyang time, no, I hope that each and every one of us would have something to learn. And for our growth mindset speaker this morning, so he is coded last December 2013, naging unit manager noong 2022, Macaulay member 2022, Gamma awardee 2023, 22 and 23. Okay, Power Leader, Grand Slam Award, AAA, Sun Life Asia President Awardee, and Consistent Medallion. And for this morning, my dear Sun Lifers, I welcome to you si Mr. Miller Lagunzad, Unit Manager of Bristlecone NBO T5. Hi, Sir Miller. Good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am Nicole. Good morning, everyone. And yeah, good morning sa 142 Sun Lifers in attendance right now. Very bright morning.
So, mahina daw po ang audio. So, maybe you can say hi to our dear Sun Lifers. Ayan, for a while. Ayan.
Ayan, ma'am. Dinig na po ba ako? Dinig na po ba ako, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear Sir Miller loud and clear. How about our Sun Lifers here?
Ayan. Thank you very much for having me. Again, thank you very much, Ma'am Nicole. And sa lahat nung nandito ngayon, 142 in attendance, very bright morning to everyone. Okay, I'll take it away, ma'am. Diretso na po ako.
Yes, please, Sir Miller. My apologies. Ayan.
Okay.
So, for a while po, naririnig na po ba si Sir Miller? Ayan, medyo may mga na-receive lang po akong feedback na mahina. Ayan, naririnig na daw. Okay, yes naman.
So,
Okay, good na audio. Ayan, audible na. Siguro,
ayan.
Sir Miller, kung may mic, no, mas ano, para talagang matuto. So, para po sa lifers natin, i-maximum level, maximize po natin
Oo,
na lang yung
paki-max na lang
ating
yung
no.
paki-max na lang yung audio ninyo diyan. And I will try to speak a little bit louder na lang para mas madinig. Okay. So, ma'am,
Oh,
allow me to share the screen lang saglit ha.
yes, please. And again, my dear Son Lifers, kahit siguro nasa bahay kayo or send in clap emoji. So let's give a round of applause. So clap emoji na lang po, Sir Miller, for Mr. Miller Lagunzad.
Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Okay. So, pakilala lang ako saglit ha. Pakilala lang ako saglit. My name is Miller Lagunsad. I live in Calibo. Calibo, Aklan. I was born and raised in Punta Santa Ana, Manila. My wife lives here in Aklan, so this is where we decided to stay na lang. So, unang-una, di kami mayaman ha. My mother is a mananahi ng damit and my father was a school janitor. I spent my hang on. I spent my elementary days in Manila at Tomas Earnshaw Elementary School. Public school lang siya. Malapit kasi yan sa bahay namin. Walking distance lang. I spent my high school days in Mandaluyong at Rizal Technological Colleges. RTU na siya ngayon. I had my first 2 years in college at Adamson University in Malate through scholarship. But I finished my engineering degree at the Central Colleges of the Philippines dito sa may Aurora Boulevard sa Quezon City. Hindi rin po ako matalino. Hindi rin matataas ang mga grades ko. Nagkataon lang na yung napasukan ng nanay ko, naghanap sila ng mapapag-aral. Salamat naman sa Diyos, Panginoon. Swerte naman at napili nila ako. And after college, I was working na. I became interested sa supervision. So I took up my master's degree in project management at Ateneo de Manila in Makati. Doon lang kasi yung merong course na ganito during that time. So, i-share ko lang lahat ng mga classmates ko sa Ateneo ay pinadala ng company, malalaking company like Shell, Petron, SM, marami pa. And then, ako lang yung pinadala ang sarili ko doon. So,
Sir Miller, sorry po for interrupting, no? Baka meron po kayong earphones or any mic kasi I'm pretty sure you have a lot of things to share and hindi daw po talaga, mahina po talaga ang naririnig ng ating mga Son Lifers.
hang on. Wala
Okay.
talaga. Oo, wala ako eh. Wala akong ma-share talaga ngayon na ano.
Oh,
Lalakasan ko na lang, ma'am. Wala
yes,
talaga.
sir. So
Okay.
I think, my dear Son Lifers, if you have any earphones on your end, no, para mas maintindihan at mas marinig natin si Sir, wag muna sigurong speaker po, no, Sir Miller, for
Oo.
us to makuha whatever things that we going to learn with Sir Miller. Ayan, clear naman on their end. So siguro
Oo.
talagang mag-earphones na lang po tayo, my dear Son Lifers. Clear naman daw po. Okay, maximize
Okay,
na lang
so,
talaga. Thank
yan.
you so much,
Pasensya na
Sir
ha.
Miller.
Pasensya na ha. Oo, pasensya na talaga. Okay, so tuloy ko lang. Yun nga, yung mga classmates ko sa Ateneo, ano yan sila, pinadala sila ng company. Ako lang yung pinadala yung sarili. Kasi motivated talaga ako na mag-aral. So, ginastusan na lang yung sarili. So, eventually, sila nakatapos agad kasi nga, company naman yung nagbayad sa kanila. Ako, it took me a little while more to complete the course. Ito naman yung mga napasukan ko na companies before joining Sun Life. Nagturo ako sa high school sa St. Mary's Academy nagturo din ako sa Diliman Preparatory School, High School Department sa Commonwealth. And yung iba familiar sa STI naman, no? 7 years ako nagturo diyan part-time sa hapon. Mga students ko, yung mga galing na sa work. Shout out nga pala sa mga mga nakaabot dito sa PhilTel, no? Ito yung kauna-unahang mobile systems service provider natin. Ito yung kauna-unahan, no? Smart na siya ngayon. Nabili na siya ng Smart. And before, I was a news cameraman sa Sky Cable and ABS-CBN. Naging project director ako ng Huawei recently. And yun nga, sa Sun Cellular na nagtuloy din ako nakapasok din ako sa Sun Cellular. And then sa Smart and Nokia, dito ako naman nagtagal sa Ericsson. Dito ako nag-rose from the ranks from an ordinary supervisor to becoming a country manager sa Africa. Ako nag-manage ng rollout sa Africa with Ericsson. So next to that, ito pala yung mga recognitions ko sa Sun Life. Nabanggit na ni Ma'am kanina, no? Dito sa mga more than 142 in attendance today, I know yung iba sa atin ngayon, mas marami pa silang natanggap. Pero sa akin, I'm still a work in progress at naniniwala naman ako na sabay-sabay naman natin na mararating yung mga pangarap natin. So, share ko na lang din. So, believe me when I tell you na mas marami pa akong natanggap na recognition sa Sun Life compared nung nasa telco pa ako. Noon, kapag namimit ko yung mga target ko, one piece of cake lang yung tatanggap ko, no? At saka never had na nagkaroon ng opportunities like this. Sa Sun Life, meron kang medal, may trophy, may local and international travels. Very well talaga. Recognize ang effort mo dito sa Sun Life. Ito nga pala yung isang picture namin, no? Kasama ko si Miss Oz at saka si Boss Alq sa Sydney. Kasama ko silang umakyat sa Sydney Harbour Bridge. 3 lang kami na Pinoy. Yung nga pala, nagko-cosplay din ako paminsan-minsan ha. Kayo, anong hobby nyo? Pero tuloy na ako. Ito na, umpisahan ko na yung aking segment. Pero disclaimer lang muna ha, guys. All the photos that you will see are not mine. Credits yan sa original owners. And heads up lang din na wala kayong matututunan na bago sa akin today. No? Lahat na naituro na ni Sun Life sa atin through seminars like this, lectures and thanks to our amazing BMs, our sales managers na guidance natin, our DLD trainers, our CLP sharers and many guests. Katulad ngayon, no? Halos na cover na ni Ma'am Nicole talaga kanina yung growth mindset. Parang parang ma'am, naano mo na talaga kanina, parang kumpleto Ricardo na. Kumbaga na lang tong sa akin, tapping na lang ito. Okay? So, umpisahan ko na. First of all, allow me to share with you these famous lines from I know narinig nyo na to. BMJB would always say, gagawin mo na lang, galingan mo na. And BM Susan Lee would say, double is doable. BM Christine once told me, wag mo underestimate ang client mo. And the late BM Linda Buenaflor would always say to us, go to the roads less traveled. At ito yung pinaka palagi nating alam nyo na to, from DLD, palagi tayong nire-remind, no? Susuka pero di susuko. Guys, ano napapansin nyo na common sa kanilang lahat? Alam nyo, para sa akin, no, they are asking us to do something na di pa natin ginagawa. No? Hindi pa natin nagagawa. I-try mo. Parang ganun. Most of us, no, sa atin, nadinig ko na yan. Sa ibang advisors, alam ko na yan. Yes, it's true. Sometimes same topics lang, paiba-iba lang ng delivery and approach. Doon sa mga na-share nga ni Ma'am Nicole kanina, na-measure tayo kung saan tayo when it comes to accepting growth mindset. Thank you, Ma'am Nicole. No? I was measured to having as 19, and ibig sabihin, no, growth mindset with some fixed ideas. Tama po, tama. On my personal experience, kasi may mga natutunan ako sa mga nagturo sa akin. So in-apply ko yun, but I'm still open for new ideas. Friends, it's going to be the same today, ha? Yung mga isi-share ko sa inyo comes from other people and it worked for me. Nagkataon lang din na ako yung sharer ngayon, and I will try to deliver them on a different approach. Please bear with me, saglit lang naman ito. Sa totoo lang talaga, guys. Wala naman ng natitirang sikreto sa Sunlight. Kasi nga, lahat na naituro sa atin. Ang dami-dami na natin na attendan. Halos weekly may lectures dito, lectures doon. Yung mga learnings nga, minsan, pasok dito, labas na doon. But today, I hope I can persuade you. No? Na this time, gawin mo na. Paano? Okay. Using growth mindset. You know, the brain is very, very powerful. Naniniwala ba kayo that a change in mindset can simply make you feel happy? That a change in mindset can simply make you feel sad, feel thrilled, and a change in mindset can make you feel accomplished. It even can make you do insane things. Magbigay lang ako ng example, ha, yung ibang yung mga so-called influencers, no? Some of them do crazy things, makakuha lang likes and views. Nakakita na ba kayo noon yung makagawa lang ng content, sasayaw-sayaw na sa gitna ng kalsada? Sana lang they are doing it for the right purpose or for the right reasons. Natatandaan nyo ba na kapag pagka may gusto kang bagong phone, try to imagine nung gustong-gusto mong bumili ng phone. It doesn't matter kung may jeepney strike or may baha or malakas ang ulan. Walang makakapigil sa'yo. Pupunta ka pa din dun sa mall para mabili yung phone. Tama ba? No? Pakirate mo na lang sa comment section kung tama. No? It doesn't matter. Walang pipigil sa'yo. Yung naka-mindset ka na rin, no? Nabibilin mo yung bagong Adidas na sapatos at yung Hoka shoes na yan. Tapos pagdating mo doon, wala yung size mo. Sa sobrang gigil mo, dumiretso ka na lang sa fast food, halos gusto mo nang kalimutan yung diet mo, no? Sa sobrang inis, no? Ganyan ka-powerful ang mindset. Guys, narinig nyo na ba ito? Confirmation bias, narinig nyo naman. Pakitype nyo naman yes kung narinig nyo na, no? Pakitype nyo naman sa sa chat box kung narinig nyo na. Okay. Salamat naman, no, kung narinig nyo na, hindi naman masyado ako mahihirapan, no? Okay. Tuloy ko na lang din, no? The mind is always searching for proof of what you believe in. If you tell yourself that things are going wrong, your brain will focus on every setback, every small inconvenience, and use them as evidence to confirm that things are really going wrong. It's not that life is objectively worse. It's that our brain is doing its job, no? Seeking to reinforce the story we have chosen. But here's the key. It works the other way as well. May kukwento ko sa inyo, and I always share this to our rookies. Sa mga managers na nandito ngayon, you can use this to identify kung sino yung mga rookies nyo na may built-in potentials na. At ito yung kailangan, at yung mga kailangan, yung ma-identify natin yung mga rookies na may potential na, at yung iba pa, yung ibang rookies na kailangan pa ng additional mindsetting and motivations na maibibigay nyo. Natutunan ko ito from an SM na nakausap ko dati. Sa mga rookie bootcamps namin, ganito ginagawa ko. I will stay in front and ask, guys, sino sa inyo ang gustong kumita ng 100 pesos na walang ginagawa? Of course, all of them will say, ako. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng 100 pesos sa bulsa. Hawak-hawak ko na ngayon siya. Okay. Ito na yung 100 pesos. All you have to do is stand up and take it. Others hesitate. No? Pero pag may makita na sila na tumatayo, tatayo na din sila. Pero huli na. Kasi may nakakuha na. Yung others naman, chose to stay sitting lang. Parang nag-observe lang. Nakita nyo yung difference nilang tatlo? One is dedicated to take it and will do anything just to have it. Takbo agad siya, kuha niya yung 100. The others hesitated muna, waiting for validation, and then go pag may nakita na silang tumayo, pero only to find out the opportunity is already gone. Many wants it as well but didn't make any effort. Saan ka dyan? Pakitype mo na sa chat box. 1, 2, or 3. Saan ka dyan noon? Okay? Ito pa, another story. Ito naman, pwedeng gamitin natin yung mga managers din natin sa mga medyo tenured advisors na. So, minsan mag-share ako ganyan. Nasa harap. Guys, may ibibigay ako na 500 pesos kung sino sa inyo makakapagsabi sa akin. On the way to this meeting, ilan ang nakasalubong nyo na nakasuot na black? So, lahat sila magtitinginan sa isa't isa and then magtatry manghula. Believe me, wala silang maisasagot. Babaguhin ko na lang. Sige, ganito na lang. No? Bukas, magkita-kita tayo. Magbibigay ako ng 1,000 pesos sa pinakamarami magsasabi sa akin kung ilan ang nakita nyong kotseng kulay dilaw. Guys, sa tingin nyo ano mangyayari? Ano na yung tumatakbo sa isip nila ngayon? Sigurado ako. Ngayon pa lang yung mga mata nila naghahanap na ng kotseng kulay dilaw. Okay? Para may masabi na sila sa akin bukas. Yeah. Guys, did you see my point? Most of the time, nakakasalubong na natin ang opportunities pero di natin sila pinapansin. Nandiyan na sa harap natin pero baliwala lang sa atin. If you start asking yourself, how can things be better? Or, what is it good happening in my life right now? Your brain will begin to look for those answers. It will seek out and celebrate the small wins, the moment of growth, and the opportunities for change. Little by little, it is changing your perception towards hope and possibility. This, my friends, is confirmation bias at work. Remember, it doesn't have to be negative, huh? Our mind is simply doing what it is wired to do, and it is to find evidence to support the reality you believe in. So we should always be mindful of the story we are writing, no? Because the narrative you create shapes the lens which you see your life is. Be intentional about how you frame your experiences because what you tell yourself today will be the world you see tomorrow. Nabanggit na ni Ma'am kanina. Last week, bumisita si BDM Edwin Antonio sa Kalibo. And we had a very good conversation. He told me that day. Ang daming na-hire ngayon sa Sun Life. Ang daming gustong magnegosyo. Ang problema, may empleyado mindset. No? Gustong magnegosyo pero ang mindset niya empleyado. I'm sure alam nyo naman kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng isang businessman at saka isang empleyado, di ba? Ang businessman, ang gusto niya palagi may growth, may return agad, no? Ang empleyado, doesn't matter Papasok ako ng alas 8, lalabas ako ng alas 5. Diba? Magkaiba. Alam nyo naman yan. O, paki-comment na lang. No? Paki-comment na lang yes sa chat box kung tinamaan ka, ha? Kasi ganyan din ako noon. No exception. Tinamaan din ako dyan. Paki-chat na lang, no? Yes. Kung tinamaan ka. I will let you in on a secret, guys, ha? I will let you in on a secret. Yes, I was forced to join Sun Life. In 2007, my wife asked me to join Sun Life. I said no. It took her 6 years bago pa ako pumayag maging advisor. So in 2013, I took the exam and was coded. Hindi ko nasasabihin sa inyo kung ilang beses ako nag-exam. Ha? What made me decide? So my wife noon, MC na siya noon, and wanting to build her own team na rin. So syempre, being a supportive husband and wanting to tap as well the telco industry, so I decided to go for it. Di ko nasasabihin nga kung ilang beses ako nag-take ng exam. Malayo ang exam noon. From Kalibo to Iloilo, you will have to travel 3 to 4 hours pa para mag-exam. Ngayon, madali na. May online na. Sa totoo niyan, wala namang kasi talaga sa puso ko maging advisor. Later on, I realized maganda nga pala talaga sa Sun Life. So after 10 years of doing it part-time, I've accepted another challenge to be part of the management team. So on July 2023, I was promoted unit manager, and a year after that, I became AAA. In that same year, I was one of the 20 Sun Lifers who received the Sun Life Asia President's Award in Sydney, Australia. Guys, just because of a single change in mindset. Doon ako nag-umpisa, 2022. At dahil ginusto ko, effectively my brain looked for ways on how to reach it. So, of course, based on the guidance from our BMs, supportive SMs, and other Sun Life achievers. Surround yourself with them. By accepting the faith, the recognitions follows. Pero, yun nga, it was easier said than done. Like any other projects, managing a unit has its own unique challenges. Since most of the advisors are part-time like me, hindi ko sila ma-push. No? Hindi ko sila ma-push that much. Not unlike sa corporate, yung mga empleyado ko or yung mga tao ko noon, since they are paid on a daily basis, you can push employees to do multitask, no? And to deliver. So, hindi katulad dito sa atin, no? They can only do that much. You have to motivate them. As of ngayon, we are grooming our MCs to becoming AAA managers as well in the near future. And by the way, yung newly promoted UM namin last July already qualified for the Alpha Awards. No? Congratulations sa kanya. Noon, with every cell sites na we bring on air, there's only a sigh of relief that another deadline has been met. Ganun lang. Yes, I was forced to join Sun Life, but with every life we secure, the service we provide is not only a lifelong and personal experience, but the effect echoes throughout the entire family. Knowing that we've helped one family secure their financial future is truly fulfilling. Little by little, I've accepted and embraced and love the advocacy and take pride in this noble profession. Now, the choice to stay with Sun Life was mine. Ngayon, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman ngayon. Ano yung mga masishare ko sa inyo ngayon na experience ko firsthand? Set goals. Draw your wildly important goals. Mag-big session kayo ng manager mo para ma-measure at ma-celebrate ang mga small wins. At malaman mo rin kung ano yung mga kulang at yung ano yung dapat mong gawin, for you to catch up. Ask how. Seek mentorship. Huwag mahihiya magtanong. Even from other teams and branches. Ask for their best practices and how they did it. Yung mga na-share nila sa akin, it worked. Malay mo, it will work for you. Remember, di mo malalaman kung di ka magtatanong. Personally, I have come to realize, ang babait pala ng mga BMs natin. Ang babait talaga nila. Kapag nagtanong ka, tuturuan ka talaga nila. Hindi sila namimili. Embrace change and adapt. Don't be afraid to try new things. Kapag wala kang binago today, sigurado bukas ganyan ka pa din. Continuous improvement, ika nga, no? So, be consistent, no? Or be obedient. Consistency is the bridge between goals and achievement. Tandaan nyo yan. So, kung ang goal mo is to achieve, be consistent. When all things seems impossible, mag-pray ka. Don't pray for an easy life. Sabi nga kanina ni Ma'am Nicole, no? Pray to become a better person or a stronger person. Sabihin mo lang, no? Problema ka lang, mas malaki ang Diyos ko. With God, nothing is impossible. Pray din tayo ng pasasalamat, para sa mga small wins natin. Stepping stones yan para sa mas malaking achievement. Guys, do you still dream of having the best version of yourself? You still have it? Well, if you do, then what's keeping you from having it? No? Simple change of mindset lang yun. Guys, this time, gawin mo na. And it all starts with the mindset. Bago matapos yung session ko ngayon, I will share with you one quote na sana ma-imbibe ninyo. Embrace challenge not as obstacles, but opportunity to grow. For every setback is a stepping stone, and every effort a catalyst for limitless potential. So thank you very much sa pakikinig, no, sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat. I'm using two accounts, Facebook account. So yung personal name ko, Miller Lagunsad, and yung madalas kong ginagamit, yung Kuya M, the Telco FA guy, no. Andyan din yung mobile number ko and Sun Life email. Thank you very much, Ma'am Nicole Servio. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a bright day ahead.
Alright. So, palakpakan po natin. Let's give UM Miller a clapping emojis. Ayan. So, thank you so much, UM Miller, for sharing your insights. Ayan. So, sabi, powerful daw po. Salamat, UM Miller. A lot of clapping of hands po ang nakita natin on our chat box. So, for a while, time check lang tayo. It's 11:04. So, mag-extend lang tayo ng very, very light, my dear Sun Lifers, because I know this morning is full of learnings, no? Lalo with Sir Miller, no? Talagang na-i-share niya whatever it is, no, na-i-share niya. Sabi niya, walang secret dito. Talagang we are all a team here. So, my dear Sun Lifers, yes, sir. So, my dear Sun Lifers, if you have any questions for UM, please type in on the chat box. So, kuha lang kami ng 1 or 2 questions, no, na talagang masasagot talaga ni UM Miller. No, whatever that question is, life lessons, 'di ba? And everything. Ayan, thank you daw po for so inspiring daw UM Miller, grabe. Thanks, So again, if
Thank
you
you
have
din,
any
thank you.
questions, my dear Sun Lifers, put it on the chat box. Ako naman, I would like to share something. There's so many quotes, no? Actually, nilista ko UM Miller. Kasi ang dami ko natutunan from you.
Thank
Ang
you. Thank
daming
you.
quotable quotes talaga na tumatak po sa akin. 'Di ba? So ako, ang pinaka nakuha ko UM Miller before, I was a kind of person na nasasaraduhan ng opportunities because I was waiting for other people na mauna na kayo since I'm an introvert person. But kalaunan, as I grow older, I realize na walang mapupuntahan if hindi ako mag-stand on my own. 'Di ba? If I would wait for other people, masasaraduhan ako ng opportunities. 'Di ba? There are a lot of things that could have happened pero pinalampas ko po, no, because of my attitude before na sige kayo muna or ay nahihiya po ako. Nahihiya po ako kasi, so hayaan mo sila. There are a lot of things na na-miss ko because of that. But with what you have shared, Sir Miller, I was validated, no, na tuloy-tuloy lang ako with my change attitude, mindset, kasi dati ganun na tama lang pala yung aking pag-shift. Because of that, I was able to say yes to a lot of opportunities. A lot of opportunities dumating po sa akin, and I'm currently enjoying whatever opportunities na nag-yes ako. Ayan. So, my dear Sun Lifers, if you have any questions, no, with you, Miller, sige. Maybe some advice? O sige po, sir, mukhang nahihirapan ang ating or nahihiya ang ating mga Sun Lifers for a question. Siguro, question na lang coming from me, Sir Miller, no? So, this is more of a life lesson question. No, what can we do every time na nahihirapan po kami? Or ikaw, Sir Miller, what is your secret every time na nahihirapan ka and you don't know what to do anymore?
Ayan, napakagandang question yan, ma'am, no? Katulad nga na when I was in the telco industry, iba-iba yung everyday may problema yung tao mo. Everyday may problema naman yung site mismo. So, or may problema yung contractor mo, hindi mamimit yung deadline. Mayan, masakit sa ulo yan. Ma'am, unang-una mag-pray ka. No? Pray for guidance. No? Pangalawa, hinga ng malalim. Katulad nga ng binanggit mo kanina, hinga ng malalim. May nag-share pala kanina niyan, hinga ng malalim. Think of a positive thought lang. No? Stress can make or break a person. So, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Ayan, no? Hindi na naman akin yan. Ano naman yan di ba? Think of a positive thought lang. Wag nang hindi pa katapusan ng mundo, no? Lahat yan may solusyon. Remember, noon sinasabi ko sa mga tao ko, sabihin nyo sa akin ang problema. Matamis man yan o mapait, sabihin nyo sa akin. Kasi para alam ko kung paano ko kayo isusupport or paano ko kayo matutulungan. Kasi kung magkikita-kita tayo, problema na, hindi nyo naman sinabi sa akin, paano kita masusuportahan? Di ba? So, matamis man yan o mapait, sabihin mo na sa akin. At much better, habang mas maaga, sabihin mo na. Ma'am, yung sa inyo naman, no, ang para sa akin lang, always think positively. No? Palagi namang may opportunities. No? If in case talagang walang-wala na, ay magtatanong din tayo sa sa ibang unit managers, sa ibang SM, yung paborito kong BM na pinagtatanungan ko palagi na magsa-shoutout na lang ako kay BM Rosetta. Oo, palagi naman siya, no? So, ganun lang talaga. Wala namang complete answer para sa ganyan, no? Ang mahalaga lang is to have a positive approach on everything. Initially talaga magkakaroon ng, 'di ba? Masasya ka kagad, no? Siyempre, ano muna kumbaga mabibigla ka. Halimbawa, target natin ganito. Inaasahan natin na magiging tayo, ganyan. Tapos biglang sasabihin ng isang manager mo, naku, parang ano yata eh. So, ayan ako din, katulad ng nasabi ko sa'yo, I'm still a work in progress. Kasi minsan may nabibitawan din ako sa salita na hindi ko ibig sabihin. Kasi yun kagad, as per of the moment, ako, ito na. So, may mga pagkakataon na ganyan tayo, pero the most important thing is stand up, baguhin mo yung sarili mo, always think of a positive thought na lang. I hope I answered your question, ma'am.
Yes, of course, Sir Miller. It's good advice, no? So, sana I do hope our Sun Lifers as well na nandito, no? Talagang gawin din nila whatever you shared to us whenever they feel that failure. Another question, UM, no? May nagtanong from Hazel. Hi, UM. How do you coach your team? Is there something special that you are doing? Ayan.
Ayan. Ma'am Hazel, no? Good morning, bright morning. Ma'am, dito sa sales team namin or sa branch, meron kaming bootcamp para sa mga namin, sa mga rookies namin. So doon pa lang na-identify na namin kung sino yung higher potentials. Ito kailangan ng work in progress, kumbaga kailangan pa ng additional. So nakaka-categorize namin sila and then tailored approach na lang. Kasi hindi naman po pwedeng one size fits all eh. Yung iba madaling maka-pick up, yung iba medyo slow talaga. Tsaka yung iba may kaya, may iPad na agad, yung iba wala. So, 'di ba? Iba-ibang approach talaga, tailor fit lang. Thank you very much, Ma'am Hazel, for sa tanong, no? I hope I was able to answer it.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, UM Miller, for sharing your insight to us. Maybe a lot of you here, no, sa ating mga Sun Lifers, meron pa kayong question. So, you may ask Sir Miller. Pwede ba yon, Sir Miller? Mag-message sila sa iyong Facebook since you shared it a while ago, no?
Yes, ma'am. Friends, kung merong tanong kayo na I will not be able to answer it right now or later on after the session, tapos bigla kayo may question na nag-pop up, paki-message nyo lang po ako, ma'am, sa Facebook account ko, Miller Lagunsad, at saka yung Kuya M. And I will try to answer them immediately, no? Siya nga pala, no? Wag mahihiya magtanong kasi ganyan din ako noon. Nung nangarap ako mag AAA kasi yung aking misis is AAA. So ang pressure dapat ako din mag AAA. So nagtanong ako sa mga UMs, nagtanong ako sa mga SMs, nagtanong ako sa mga BMs. Lapit ka talaga sa kanila. Walang madamot sa Sun Life. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, wala naman ng sikreto kasi tinuturo naman na sa atin lahat. Katulad kanina ni Ma'am Nicole, na halos na-cover niya na lahat ng topic kanina. Parang wala na ako maidadagdag. Kumbaga, mag-cherry on top na lang ako. Yun lang yun eh. Magtanong. Ang babait ng mga BMs natin, yung mga SMs natin, magtanong. Seek mentorship. Yun ang the best.
Okay, ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Miller, for sharing your insight to us. I'm again pretty sure that all the Sun Lifers who are here this morning was inspired by your words. And again, ayan, so may nag-shout out UM Miller, sabi galing UM ko yan, sabi ni Ivy Briones. So special shout out.
Thank you.
UM. Ayan, so
si Ivy mapopromote na yan si January, UM na yan.
Ayan, advance congratulations po, Miss Ivy. Ayan, so I'm pretty sure, Sir Miller, with that, it's evident na talagang you are helping, no, your subordinates, no, to go up. Kumbaga sabay-sabay tayong aangat dito, wala pong maiiwan. Ayan, so mga may nagsa-special shoutout kay UM, hello po, yung kanyang mga team, ayan, yung kanyang team, so mga special shoutout daw po. Okay?
Thank you sa team, thank you.
Yeah, so everything has been said and done, my dear Sun Lifers. Again, if you have any questions with Sir Miller, you can reach out to him. Again, sabi niya nga, hindi naman siya madamot. He will be sharing a lot of things pa, no, sa atin or sa inyo if you have any questions. So after everything has been said and done, of course, everything must go to an end. Ayan. So for our morning session, ayan. So sabi nga ni Sir Miller kanina, I would like to leave you maybe a questions on lifers, no? Lahat po tayo dito, we have goals, no? And kanina na-mention nyo na you have your remaining goals in life, whatever that is, before 2024 ends, no? I would like to give you a question. Kailan mo pa gagawin? Pero ang sabi nga ni Sir Miller, this time, gawin mo na. Huwag mo nang palagpasin ng opportunity na yon, no?
Tama.
Again, we still have 29 days, no? Kung tama ang aking computation, before 2024
Kaya
ends. So,
pa.
yes, tama Sir Miller, kaya pa. Let us push, no? Let the challenges be an inspiration to us to keep on pushing and motivating ourselves before the year ends.